Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2026 Lexus GX. The 2026 Lexus GX brings a fresh update to the luxury SUV market, combining modern features with its known off-road capabilities and high-end craftsmanship. Exterior, rugged elegance. New grille, a sharper, more aerodynamic version of Lexus' signature spindle grille. LED lights, sleek, angular LED headlights and taillights add a modern touch. Sturdy design, a boxy shape with bold fenders and underbody protection for off-road toughness. Wheel options, available in 18-inch and 20-inch alloys with off-road tires. Interior, luxury meets functionality. High-quality materials, leather seats with trim and brushed aluminum accents. Upgraded infotainment, a 14-inch touchscreen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Flexible seating, configurations for 5 or 7 passengers, with heated and ventilated seats for all. Quieter rides, enhanced sound insulation and noise-canceling technology. Performance, built for any journey. Engine options, a 3.5L twin-turbo V6 with 375 horsepower. A hybrid option offering 400 horsepower and better fuel efficiency. Smooth transmission, 10-speed automatic for seamless gear changes. Off-road ready, full-time 4WD, locking center differential, and advanced terrain systems like multi-terrain select and crawl control. Technology, smart and safe. Safety features, Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and 360-degree cameras. Off-road tools, terrain mapping, a digital inclinometer, and a rear underbody camera. Convenience, wireless charging, USB-C ports, and over-the-air software updates. Sustainability, the hybrid powertrain improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions while still delivering powerful performance. Pricing and trims. Base model starts at $58,000. Top trim. Fully loaded versions with premium features cost around $75,000. Conclusion. The 2026 Lexus GX blends luxury, advanced tech, and off-road capabilities, making it perfect for city drives or rugged adventures. It's designed to excel wherever you go. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.